तो इस चीज पे देखना है, गौर करना है. Sir, also going further ahead, sir. Sir, I would also say, sir, moreover, is it not discriminatory to starve the Area Development Authority of the former Chief Minister's constituency of special funds, sir? I hope that the government will look into that, because today I'm standing here and making a demand for the former Chief Minister's Development Authority funds to be released, sir. Sir, for the Brahmin Welfare Fund, sir, सबके लिए, right, सबके लिए, for all of us, sir. I correct myself, sir, for all of us, sir. With the former Chief Minister's Development Authority also, sir. Sir, for the Brahmin welfare, sir, it was MIM party who had demanded that the Brahmin should be taken care, and the then Chief Minister had agreed for that, and he was magnanimous in announcing for the Brahmins also, sir. For the Brahmin Welfare Fund, the allocation in the current year is rupees 50 crores, and in the previous year also similar allocations were made, but only rupees 27.50 crores were released and incurred, causing hardship to some Brahmin beneficiaries, sir. Sir, now coming to the energy, sir. Sir, yesterday I was listening to the Honorable Deputy CM Sahab's reply on the debate on the budget, and he was recounting the achievements of the present government in the power sector, especially in the meeting, the record peak demand of GHFC as well as the state during the summer this year, sir. He had earlier asserted in the budget speech that the Congress government was able to provide uninterrupted power supply for 24 hours a day, even during the peak summer season, sir. Sir, I don't know how to take these statements when the experience of the common people in the state capital itself proves that there were interruptions in the supply, not during the summers only, but also after the advent of the monsoon in June, sir. The Deputy CM Saab, who holds the both portfolio of finance and energy, says that the budgetary allocation for the power sector, including Transco and Discom, is rupees 16,410 crore in the current year, sir. However, sir, when he says that 16,410 crore in the current year, however, he has moved the demands of grant for energy number 35 for grants of rupees 12,086 crores, sir. Sir, I request him to clarify, sir. Sir, मैं फिर से मैं figures पे बोल रहा हूँ, numbers पे बोल रहा हूँ, sir, amount पे बोल रहा हूँ. इस पे कोई clarification देते ही नहीं, sir. इस पे clarification देना चाहिए. It is the right of a legislature, sir, and it is the right of this house. कि sir, I repeat and I just say that, sir, once again. So the Deputy CM Saab, who holds a portfolio of finance and energy, says that the budget allocation for the power sector, including Transco Discom, is rupees 16,410 crore in the current year. And however, he has moved the demand of grant for energy number 35 for grants of rupees 12,086 crores. Minister Saab needs to clarify on that, sir. The allocation includes rupees 3,017 crore for construction of new extra high tension substation and 31 extra high voltage power transformers during the financial year, sir. Sir, going now on Guruva Jyotis, according to statistics from the two Discom, there were 1.27 crore domestic consumers in the state during 22-23, and this number has further increased in 23 and 24. Out of this number, 1 crore domestic consumer had consumed less than 200 units per month. Thus, there are over 1 crore domestic consumers consuming less than 200 units per month, and these consumers are eligible for availing the free power up to 200 units under Guruva Jyoti scheme. This is what we all know, sir. Sir, under Guruva Jyoti scheme implemented from 1st March 2024 for providing 200 units for free electricity, the Finance Minister Saab says that 45,81,676 zero bills were issued, and the Discom were reimbursed with rupees 583 crores up to 30th of June 2024, sir. He says this, sir. However, the Social Economic Survey, page number 91, points out that a total of 1.37 crore zero electricity bills were generated under Gruha Jyoti scheme till 30th June 2024. This is almost 3 times the figure cited in the budget speech. 3 times, sir. तो आप बढ़ के बता रहे हैं, नहीं बता रहे, कम बता रहे, मैं बढ़ के बता रहा हूं. Sir, I really don't understand, sir. Sir, now going further ahead, sir, the policy note of demand for grants of Energy Department mentioned that under Gruha Jyoti scheme, a total of 1.79 crore zero bills were issued and the amount reimbursed to DISCOM was 643.86 crore, sir. Sir, Bhatti Saab says in his speech, Gruha Jyoti scheme has been allocated 2,418 crores in budget for the year 24-25, excluding the allocation under SC, ST, SDF. But as per the budget book on energy demand, I am also, the demand number 35, page 29, sir. I am mentioning the page also. The budget estimate for the scheme is only rupees 1,825 crores, sir. Sir, I really fail to understand, sir. What are the bureaucrats, what are the departments doing? Are they not studying the numbers? Sir, similarly, huge amounts are due from the government departments towards the power consumption, sir. The areas due from the government department have risen. The government departments, sir, have risen from rupees 1,595.37 crores to rupees 28,842.70 crores, sir. From just for the government department. 28,000. So when it is rising, sir, it is true that the financial difficulties of DISCOM are aggravated by the default of the government department in paying their power bill. As per white paper of the government, which was tabled in December 2023, from this, how much has been paid by the government to DISCOM, sir? ये दिए या नहीं दिए? चुप होल सिटी के पीछे पड़े हुए अदानी को देते बोल के, ये गवर्नमेंट के कलेक्शंस को तो भी अदानी को दे दो भाई, उन्हें कलेक्ट करके दे देता, वो तो भी दे दो. चुप होल सिटी अदानी बोलते हैं. Sir, these dues include huge arrears of 14,193 crores from the lift irrigation project, sir. Huge, sir. Just from the lift irrigation, 14,193, sir. Sir, the government also defaulted in paying committed true-up charges of rupees 14,928 on behalf of the DISCOM. So the government has been providing the subsidy for the free power for farm sector and other section of society. However, it is the responsibility of the government to provide higher subsidy, as it has been keeping the power tariff for the domestic and other categories consumer stagnant for several years in a row, sir. Sir, through you, I would like to ask, sir, once again, sir, I have given the figures, but still, sir, I would like to ask, sir, what is the total amount allocated in the latest budget towards the Gruha Jyoti scheme? Out of the total amount allocated to the power sector, what amount is planned for Gruha Jyoti scheme, and details to the capex of budget to be furnished, sir? This is very important, sir. The second thing, sir, revenue collection in the whole city has always been made a topic for discussion, sir. Sir, आप पूरा losses को देख लीजिए. Total losses कितने हैं? And if you have to see the collections of whole city, sir, we are almost touching 100%. अगर losses अगर पूरे state का देखते हैं, तो entire state में the losses are 20%. 20% losses है ही, सारे state में है. और यहां पर जब आते हैं और बोलते हैं कि it is 40%, no, sir. Sir, I would like, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, you're on the chair, you occupy the chair, you're the custodian of this house, sir. There is the sanctity of the house. Sir, I had put a question in assembly asking that whether there is